Today, we're going to talk about strong magnetic drums and magnetic drum separators in stainless steel. If you're looking for a reliable way to remove metal contaminants from your product flow streams, then you're in the right place. Magnetic drums are the perfect solution for dry, bulk materials with high iron content. They automatically and continuously remove magnetic particles, such as iron and steel, from your materials. The best part? These drum magnets are self-cleaning units, making installation and operation a breeze. The magnetic drum separator by Sinoneo is designed to separate weakly magnetic particles, including particles from machined stainless steel and even paramagnetic particles. It's suitable for various material handling systems, making it a versatile choice for your production process. With benefits like high volume throughputs, enhanced separation performance, and low maintenance requirements, these magnetic drums are a must-have for any industry dealing with metal contaminants. And don't forget, they come in different sizes to fit your specific needs. If you're interested in learning more or getting a quote, visit our website www.sinoneo.com and reach out to our friendly team. We offer high-quality products, worldwide shipping, and even custom design services to meet your unique requirements.